let us be upstanding to invite His Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Thank you. Welcome, Your Excellency. Makofi.
Thank you very much. Please be seated. Our spiritual fathers, the Chief Principal and the teaching staff, our Cabinet Secretary for Education, our Cabinet Secretary for Roads and Transport, the Governor of Kiambu, the Governor of Migori, our Leader of Majority in the National Assembly, the Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah, and the Member of Parliament for this area, the fraternity of the Alliance, good afternoon. God is good, and all the time. Nisalimieni kwa hewa. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. My brother, Governor Ayako, I've heard you. The preacher for the day, Bishop Mulwa, explained to us the truth as a man of God. That during this Maandamano, stones were being demanded that for you to pass, you must have a stone. I don't think those stones were for eating, ama ya kupeleka sadaka kanisani. Iyo mawe ilikuwa ya kupiga Wakenya wengine, na ile kubwa ya kupiga polisi wetu. And I want to say, from the Alliance here, I want to commend our police officers and IG Kome and the very able leadership and strategic guidance of Professor Kithure Kindiki for the professional manner in which they handled that ugly situation. The policemen never went to anybody's home. You came with the stones and rocks to stone them. What did you expect them to do? You stone policemen? There is a saying, Kikwetu, I don't know whether it is here in the Alliance, usitupe mawe ya polisi. So you know it. Utatupa mawe wapi? Police. And I want to ask our leaders to know that these policemen are also human beings and they are Kenyans. That police officer is somebody's husband. That police officer is a son or a daughter to somebody. That police officer is a sister or a brother to somebody. I have heard human rights bodies condemning police. Our policemen were injured. Others are in hospital. Not a single leader, not a single organization has stood to say that it is wrong to injure and hurt police officers. Kwani polisi ni watoto ya nani? Hata hao ni watoto ya mama. I want to say, if you come to the streets with the stones to destroy property, to steal, to loot, to stone policemen, they'll deal with you accordingly. And I want to assure the National Police Service, as Deputy President and Principal Assistant to the President, carry on with the good job you are doing. You are protected and no harm will come to you. That situation we saw the other Wednesday, are you telling me we were to allow that to go on? When hooligans, arsonists came to Mombasa Road to uproot a road that has been built with the taxpayers' money, when they were stoning vehicles and demanding for you to pass, you must pay an extortion fee, when they were snatching earrings from our women, and you are telling us the police should have stayed at the police station and allow that mayhem and chaos to continue? Not in this country. This is a country of the rule of law. And it's only when the police, under the guidance of Professor Kindiki, made a decision to deal firmly and decisively with that chaos, these demonstrations came to a stop. Those policemen have gone nowhere. They are in the police station waiting. If you don't invite them, they will remain in the police lines. If you invite them to the streets, they will come. That's what they are paid to do. My brother, I'm sorry about that little discomfort that your guards were taken away. Do I take this opportunity to explain to you why? It's important that I do so that you understand. That chaos and mayhem that was in Nairobi that Wednesday for 5 hours, almost burning the country and bringing the country to a standstill. Then they announced that we'll have 3 days of that madness. We had to get prepared. We needed each and every police officer available for that work, because the ones we had were not sufficient. And the very logical decision by Kindiki and IG Kome, first get those ones guarding those who are doing the demonstrations to come and protect the people of Kenya. Where did you want us to get other policemen from? We had to get them from somewhere. And you start with those who are guarding the people who are arranging the demonstration. That's what we did. And we have had, you are going to have talks, well and good. But since I have not seen a commitment that you denounce violence and give Kenyans undertaking that you not go back to the streets, those policemen will stay on standby for now. If in the next 2-3 months you are of good behavior, there is no demonstration, there is no chaos, we shall return the men to you to guard you. Lakini saa hii haiwezekani, kwa sababu tunaweza warudisha warudi kwa hiyo maneno, si ndio? That is the truth. And I want to say, the security of this country is not negotiable. It is not negotiable. President William Ruto and I took the Bible in Kasarani before God and men, and so to protect the Constitution, to protect life and property. We welcome talks. We welcome non-violent ways of resolving conflicts. That we do. But we are on standby. Once beaten, twice, we are on standby. If the talks, Mheshimiwa Kimani, muendelee, musikizane, muendelee, polisi warudi kwa kazi yao. If there is change of heart, sisi tuko tayari. But I want to say today, on behalf of President William Ruto, never again in this country shall we allow people to kill others and to destroy people's property. It will not happen, because it is wrong and it's not right.